Okay, it's funny mirror FaceTime with Kaylin. Subscribe for Kaylin and subscribe for me and for my new friend that's trying to make a video, and her name is Elizabeth Fortenberry. Church is facing to start, and here we go. This is have y'all watched my latest video? And it was Rainy Tacos bloopers. Was that bloopers? Okay, here is funny FaceTime. It goes everywhere. Hold on. One of y'all hold the camera and face it towards me, okay? Ready? Like this. Straight. Okay. That was enough for funny FaceTime. I'll give you a tour of the church and mean people and good people. Whatever is going on, I'm getting baptized on Sundays. That was a bad ending. That was a very